excited.
I'm so excited for this.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way.
Today on Taste Test, we are eating like the friends from Friends. That's right, we got Monica, Rachel, Chandler, Joey, Ross, Phoebe. Who's your favorite?
They're all my favorite. I love them all.
Really?
I'm a Chandler girl.
I'm a dedicated Ross fan. I think he is hilarious.
What would you say your favorite episode is?
The one where Ross has a big important presentation and they're all putting on their tuxedos, and then Joey goes and puts on all of Chandler's clothes, front to back.
Be wearing any more clothes?
Love it.
God help us if we get a trifle today.
It's a trifle.
I can't believe it.
I mean, I'm very scared to eat this.
Custard, good. Jam, good. Meat, good.
And only one layer of jam?
I'm terrified to eat this.
I'm so scared. It's so clearly a mistake.
I'm gonna go eat this on the balcony so I could get a better view while I eat it.
It tastes like feet.
It's a voice maker.
Ready?
My sandwich. My sandwich.
It was my sandwich.
I'm so glad no one stole it from our work fridge.
It's basically a Thanksgiving leftover sandwich that contains turkey, cranberry, stuffing, as well as a moist maker in the center, which is a piece of bread soaked in gravy.
That rules.
I mean, yeah.
I'd be so mad if someone ate this out of the fridge.
I get fired over this sandwich.
Can I finish it? I didn't eat lunch yet.
The moist maker is a game changer, and I think I'm going to make this sandwich for myself this Thanksgiving.
It makes me wonder why I don't just eat all of my meals pressed together on a sandwich.
I mean, you get paid on a sabbatical, right?
True that!
Gladly.
Okay, you know what this is, right?
What batch do we think it is, though?
I think it's the final Nestle Toll House.
Let's hope.
Nestlé Toolhouse.
There you go.
It is true Phoebe's grandma's cookies.
Yes.
Nestle
Toolhouse.
That's so good.
Just like I remember it.
Wonderful.
It's good.
I like to believe that Phoebe had enough magic in her that her family could have had this secret.
Hot take, Phoebe's my least favorite character.
This is amazing.
I don't recognize this.
Mama's Little Bakery, Chicago, Illinois. Mama's Bake Shop, Chicago, Illinois.
Can I do a quick entrance?
All right, what are we having?
What are we having?
Yes. Get the piece with the least amount of flour on it. We're secretly posers.
Honestly, like I've died and gone to heaven.
I want to live in a Friends episode, so this is perfect.
Come on, it's a victimless crime. Who's gonna, listen, she'll complain. I never got my cheesecake. You're supposed to deliver the cheesecake. Who's gonna lose? A big cake bakery conglomerate?
It's Monica's holiday chocolate.
Oh, I was close.
You were close.
The candy lady. Okay,
See,
okay,
because this was on her door. I mean, it's a little drop of heaven. It's some caramel and some super delicious melty chocolate, and I can see why the neighbors like stormed down her door for these.
Huh?
But that's a really funny episode.
They're up all hours.
Up all hours of the night making chocolate. She's just trying to do something nice for her neighbors.
Just need another 15 minutes for the chocolate to cool.
I feel joyous.
I feel like this was an item on my bucket list that I hadn't articulated, but you figured it out for me.
Yes, and there's so many other Friends moments involving food that I'm just thinking of now, like Ross's fajitas, lasagna.
Oh, Monica's
the
lasagnas,
lasagnas.
of course.
There's just so many things in Friends that are so iconic.
We
and
could
it's
have tasted a lasagna.
such a good. Okay, what's your
with a
favorite?
nail in
What
it?
is your favorite Friends quote of all time?
Could I be wearing any more clothes?
Could I be wearing any more clothes?
I mean, everything about it.
I have two that really stand out to me. One being the uber classic, pivot.
Sure, of course.
Pivot.
Yeah.
Pivot. And then my other favorite one is when Joey is on pyramid and he can't get any of the questions right. And he's like, paper, snow, a ghost. I need to go back to Friends trivia because I've now refreshed.
I'll see you there.
Oh my gosh, teammates. Great.
I feel more closely connected to Friends than ever before. Absolutely, yeah.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you thought down below in the comments. We'll see you next time on Taste Test. Bye.